Okay, guys, we have made it to session 9. The topic of session 9 is sex and gender. Wow, does gender affect a lot in our society and in every society across the globe? You're going to learn more about that this week. The image that I have displayed for you is one of those that kind of makes you stop and go, never thought about it like that. So, for instance, looking at these images, there are conflicting views of the same happening, but based upon whether it's a mom or a dad, most of the time, the opinion of the situation is different. For example, I'll talk about the bottom right. Dad comes in from work holding a bag of fast food, and he's super fun. People think, oh wow, that dad has done a great job planning a fun night for his children. Mom comes in with a bag of fast food and people assume that she's lazy, not wanting to cook a meal for her children. So that is one example of how gender affects our society. We are covering chapter 11 this week, so make sure that you read chapter 11 and complete quizzes 11.1 through 11.7. For our Treating Genders Differently journal, we will do this. You guys are experts at this. You will watch a crash course in sociology. You will highlight and copy the questions, the correct format for you between the dotted lines. Click on the Save or Edit My Journal entry button. You will paste into the entry box, and then you will put your responses in complete sentence paragraph form under each question, and then you will change your response to a different color. When you are done with that, you will hit Save Changes, and that submits the assignment for you. The final activity for the week is the sociological view of gender writing activity. You will click on the link for that activity, make a copy of that for yourself. This deposits right into your Google Drive. Again, you're an expert at this by now. You are going to watch a video on the theories of gender and then complete the following writing activity. Keep in mind, I have to see evidence from this video in your work. You're going to define the term sex and the term gender in your own words. However, I have to see that you gained that information from the video and from the text. Then you are going to analyze the concept of gender and why it even exists through the 3 theories. You're going to get this information from the video and from your text. Then you have 2 reflection questions. Reflecting on these 2 questions needs to be college writing in paragraph form. That will be all for the writing assignment. Once you get done with all of that, you will be finished with your sex and gender session. Please reach out to me immediately if you have questions or concerns about this week's topic.